for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Simula nang mawala siya, ayoko nang mag-aral. Ayoko nang mabuhay. Itago niyo ako sa pangalang Lily. It was the first term of 1999 in CSB. At ako ay nasa second year ko. Nakilala ko ang isang lalaki, let's just call him Mike. He was very cute and good-looking. He was sporting the GQ hair. Usong-uso yun nung time namin. Ala Red Sternberg o Bobby Andrew. Google nyo na lang. Tapos naalala ko, nakasuot siya ng big white shirt. Red plaid polo top na nakatali yung sleeve sa waist niya. Baggy pants at chucks. May pagka-grunge, kumbaga. He was the cutest boy I ever saw. We were both HR students and our last names were close. So, yung isang prof namin in Prinmar seated us together. Sobrang hindi ako makakilos ng maayos. Nagbablush ako at ang awkward ko talaga. Pero siya hindi. He was very friendly and charming. At alam niya kung paano pagagaanin ang mga bagay. Alam niya kung paano niya ako dadalhin sa isang conversation. Ang akala ko, he was a type na yung sa cliche na 90s, hottie worthy of being in a boy band and a groupie of girls. Parang ganun siya eh. But we became close. Lagi niya akong nakikita sa cafeteria at nag-share kami ng snacks. Tapos, uso pa nun yung beeper. At magbi-beeper kami pag hindi kami magkasama. At magtatawagan sa telepono ng mga bahay namin. I believed he was this chick boy and wasn't really that smart. Mayabang pero magandang lahi. Pero nagkamali ako. He was very smart and good in communications. He was willing to help me. Tinuruan niya ako maging positibo at huwag mag-isip ng masyadong negatibo. To learn to be daring, to feel, to love life. Kasi kahit dati pa, skeptic ako eh. Sobrang opposite niya. So I was in danger of falling for him. He was just so sweet and funny and I loved him. Pero ilang beses kong inaantay yung moment na mag-open up siya sa akin at mag-confess siya sa akin na mahal niya rin ako. Matagal na kami magkaibigan for 2 years. Kaya hindi mabilis lahat. Anyway, Mike never told me anything. Pero meron kaming mga moments that made me confused. He would brush my hand and hook his arm around my shoulders. Sasayaw siya ng pakengkoy sa harapan ko kapag malungkot ako or kapag galit ako sa kanya. And I just couldn't stand staying annoyed. Ang akala nga ng mga kaibigan namin, kami. I wanted it to be that way. So bad. And then, nangyari na nga. We were at the airport sa first floor ng school. I got jealous kasi there was this girl from export management na lumalandi sa kanya. And I assumed they had a thing. Pero hindi pala totoo yun. Nakipag-away ako sa kanya. And then I accidentally told him that I loved him. And I was so angry and embarrassed. Kasi we were actually having the argument inside the school. So, we went out and continued. Pero hindi na siya naiinis sa akin. He was smiling. Hinila niya ako palapit sa kanya at hinalikan niya yung ilong ko. Inis pa rin ako sa kanya hanggang sa namalayan ko na lang na sobrang lapit na namin sa isa't isa. And then he told me, mahal niya din ako. Mahaba yung pinag-awayan at pinag-usapan namin. But it was so romantic. Mike was my first love. First in everything. On the brink of 2001, nagpaplano na kaming magpakasal. Parehas kaming nangangarap na magkaroon ng magandang trabaho, masayang pamilya, cute na mga anak in the future. And just be happy. Ang sabi pa ni Mike sa akin, gusto niya daw kapag nagkaroon kami ng babaeng anak, pangalanan daw namin itong Lily. And kung magkakaroon man kami ng lalaking anak, papangalanan daw namin tong David. And then, time went by, na-absorb kami sa aming mga pinagtitrainingan. Sa mga OJT namin. Different companies, by the way. And we couldn't wait. Gustong-gusto na siya ng pamilya ko. At ganoon din siya sa akin. And I couldn't wait to start a new life with him. So before our Christmas break, last na ng finals namin, balak namin pumunta ng Baguio with our friends. Hindi ako makasama because I have to finish my thesis. And yung group namin ng mga kathesis ko, late na kami halos. Hindi kami magkaklase ni Mike doon eh. So I let him go with his guy friends. It took forever to finish our thesis, but we did it. And it was so late already. Marami akong tawag mula kay Mike, but I couldn't answer. So by the time I tried calling him, the phone went dead. Hindi ako nagpanic, but after more calls and texts, plus doing the same to the friends he was with, sobrang nag-aalala na ako noon. Nalaman na lang namin na uminom pala yung mga kasama niya. And by the way, hindi siya manginginom, so I never believed that he was drunk. And then, they drove around 2 a.m. sa may landing strip somewhere in Baguio. Hindi nila na-realize na merong cliff doon at the end of it. And the car crashed downward. I pictured Mike trying to be the rational one, the leader, yung kalmado. But when it's your time, it's your time. Kasama si Mike na namatay doon sa crash na yun. I was so devastated. Simula nung mawala siya, ayoko nang mag-aral. Ayoko nang mabuhay. Gusto ko na makasama siya. Pumayat ako. Puyat ako. But then I knew Mike wouldn't want me that way. Gusto niya maging masaya ako at makagraduate ako. To live life and continue. Hindi ko lang akalain na I'd live my life without him. But in the end, I managed to finish my studies and have a job, a good career. Then, pinili ko na wag muna magkaroon ng relationship with anyone after that. 2010 came, and I met my husband. He got me laughing and falling again. Masaya ako nakilala ko siya. He's very dear to me and I'd do anything for him. I'm 31 years old now. And yung husband ko, his name is George. And I have a beautiful daughter, 2-year-old little girl, named Lily. She's so lovely. And ang weird. Kasi she reminds me of Mike. I see him in her. And by the way, yung asawa ko, he knows about Mike. And he understands. And with that, I am grateful. Every December 15, the day of his accident, naaalala ko siya. Naalala ko kung paano siya ngumiti, kung paano magningning yung mga mata niya when he talks about something he loves. The way he loved and took care of me. Mike, you will always be in my heart. You are everywhere and I will never ever forget you. I hope you love the flowers baby Lily, George, and I got for you on the 15th, right beside your plaque. You're my angel, as well as my little girls. Thank you very much for everything. Again, ako si Lily, and this is my secret file.
Always your number one FM radio station. Love Radio.
Hello, kabisyo! Uy, gusto mo pa ba ng mas marami pang Secret File episodes? Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-subscribe ka na sa aming YouTube channel. It's Love Radio Manila. At pindutin mo na or i-click mo na ang notification bell para updated ka na sa aming mga latest video. Raqi Terra po, mula sa 90.7 Love Radio. Mwah!